Shashlik. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken, shredded. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1/4 cup vinegar. Chili powder to taste. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Salt to taste. 2-3 capsicums. 2 onions. 3-4 tomatoes. Skewers. To brush oil. To garnish Chaat Masala. Directions: prick chicken cubes and marinate in the garlic, ginger, vinegar, chili powder, black pepper, powdered ingredients and salt. Leave thus 7 hours or overnight. Cut the capsicums, onions and tomatoes to match the chicken cubes. Thread a piece of tomato, onion and capsicum into the skewer and follow with a piece of chicken. Repeat thus till all the pieces are taken care of. Pour whatever juices there may be over the prepared shashlik and place over a drip tray. Brush with oil. Bake in a preheated oven 20-25 minutes, till cooked through and browned at the edges, or over a barbecue pit, or a grill. Brush again with a little oil when almost done. Serve hot over a bed of boiled rice.